Okay, welcome. Today we are going to talk about computer science question, which was asked in 2079 BS under the SEDIPS organization. So let's start discussion from the first one. So what is the bandwidth? So bandwidth means it's the amount of data being transmitted over the channel in the networking environment. So that's called bandwidth. Next is there what is digital citizenship? Digital citizenship means you use that it's, it's the use of devices. I use that use of digital devices and showing the responsibilities which should be right, followed by the users, like understanding, practicing, promoting, and just showing the good behaviors. And so this is called citizenship. It's just like an identity which we can have on internet. So that identity should be proper, should be identified, and should be understandable, and should be in mode of principle. So that's called digital citizenship. There are two modes of electronic payments. Um, so we have credit card, debit card. There are two modes of electronic payments after defined relationship we have here. Relationship means in database when we want to access data from multiple tables, then we have to link them. So that link is called relationship. What do you mean by modular programming? Modular programming simply says that write a program in which we use multiple modules or the multiple uh, procedures, or we can say that multiple parts, so that we can manage that easily. So that's modular programming. Uh, Any two data types using C language, int, char. So these are the data types. Now next we have hacking down with permission from the client. So ethical hacking, the process of identifying individual usually based on username and password authentication, we can say. Okay. Uh, so the process of identifying an individual usually based on username and password. So that's called authentication. Now next we have full forms SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, we can say. and VRML. So VRML simply said that virtual reality modeling language. Now we have group B. It carries 24 marks. So let's go for it. First we have here questioning and answering. Define data communication. Right? Its components. Data communication means so it is a method using which we can transfer the data from one computer to another computer. So there is data communication. Its components can be sender, receiver, channel, protocols, etc. So right into opportunities and the threats on social media. So first, let's talk about the two opportunities. Two opportunities means two benefits we can say that. And first, uh, what we can do there, we can share informations instantly, and that can be reached million of people around the world. So that is first. And next is we can promote business as well. Yes. So these are the two opportunities we can have there. And threats means the privacy obviously is always main of problem for the users. So that is the privacy, and next is security means protecting the data we share on internet. There is possibility to be misused. What is software security? Next we have what is software security and its security mechanism, computer hardware security. Software security means, as the name says, secure the softwares, yes, using different mechanisms from the unauthorized accesses, so data losses, threats, etc. So that is software security, and it also ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It is available or not, either password system or not, etc. So two security mechanisms to secure the hardwares are the we can uh, I say that go for the insurance, and next is computer maintenance, regular maintenance we can do there. Next is there uh, we can also secure the hardware using the power protection devices such as volt guard, UPS, etc. Now next we have defined m-commerce. For examples of m-commerce. M-commerce means mobile commerce. We say that, uh, and the mobile commerce means the device like which is portable, and just we can use that while moving here and there. It is a very small device and just supports almost all the applications. If we do selling and buying using such devices and applications, that becomes m-commerce. For examples of m-commerce. So for examples of m-commerce can be there. To buy movie, we can buy movie tickets. We can order foods online. Yes. And next is we can transfer the fund. We can pay the utilities, etc. What do you mean by IoT? List any two advantages. IoT, it refers to uh, connection of all these smaller number of devices uh, which are also connected to the internet, and we can access anything from anywhere. Means like uh, we may connect our actually that a television to internet. We can connect our washing machine to internet. We can connect our door to internet, and we can watch, we can control, we can manage that easily from anywhere. So what are the advantages of this one? So when you talk about the advantages, the first advantage there, easily accessible from anywhere. Obviously there must be an internet facility. Uh, so that is the and next is uh, security can be provided, obviously. Yes. What is DBMS? That into advantage of DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It's a software, and that software it used to control the database, manage the database, create the database as well as the users. So two advantages of database uh, two advantages of database are DBMS. First of all, it can be used to create the database, centralized or the distributed on the matter there. Next advantage can be there multiple users who can create and they can share the database. Define the term validation rule, validation text. So validation rule, as the name says, it validates the data we are going to input there. Yes, like if we want to input the data in between 50 and 100, then and that becomes a validation rule. And the validation text means it is the message which appears on the screen when we enter the invalid data. Like message may be there, we enter the data, invalid the data, etc. So that's called validation text. Okay, so that was all the validation rule in validation text. Next is a differentiate between select query and the update query. Uh, Select query, so as the name says, it is that type of query which uses to display the relevant data or the information from the database. So that is select query. Next is a update query. So update query is a type of action query which is to do some changes in our tables with some new data. So that's called update query. Define data types and list any four names of data types. So in MS Access we have the different data types. Now let's talk about some data types like memo, text, numbers, yes, no, uh, currency, etc. Data type means the format of data we want to input in our table, so that is data type. Now we have here program, and that program we have to use to write the output with the output driver. So let's go for it. I'm going to copy it and we'll do manually, as well as we will also run this code. Okay, let's make that table. Let's make table here first. How many variables we have here? Accordingly, we'll insert columns. First is $8. So let's give here $8, and this is Nepal. Nepal. Next we have here I equals to 1 to len. So I equals to 1 to len $8. Okay. Okay. First is I is 1. Yes, first I is 1. Next we have here value of B. Yes, so let's put here B. B is missing here. B we forgot here. Insert. Right. Let's put B here. First B is 1 here. Okay. Now let's check the condition. 3 not equal to 3. Obviously true. B is not equal to 3. Yes. Now what it prints? Mid dollar. Mid dollar. Then we have A dollar. Then we have B. Then we have I. So what it is going to print? Let's check it out. Print. Okay. It is true. B is 1. So for dollar Nepal, A find there. B is 1 there. I is 1 there. Means take only one character. So that is and. It prints and there. Okay. It prints and. Okay. In next iteration, whatever is the value of B, it becomes 2. Yes. Yes. It becomes 2. I. It also becomes 2. It is being true now. So let's keep here true and let's keep here true here. Okay. After that, uh, B is not equal to 3. B is 2. Obviously, it is being true again. B is 2. Now, what it is going to print there? It is not equal to 3. Find there. Now, it prints here. B is 2. From second location, I. I is 2. I is 2. So A nils B is 2 from second location. From second location I is 2 means to EP. It prints EP. Okay. 2 means wet. A dollar is Nepalese. Fine. B is oh sorry yeah. Step 2 is there. After 1 it becomes 3. Yes. After 1 it becomes 3. Yes. I is 2. Find there. No. So B is same there 2. Now value of I is after 1 it becomes 3. 3. So again being true. uh, B is not equal to 3, so it is true there. Now for this Nepal A dollar B, B is from second location I is 3, so it becomes EPA, so it prints EPA. Find it. Now next iteration the value of b is becomes 3. So value of I becomes 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Again it be it becomes 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, fine. Okay. Now value of b not equal to 3. It is saying that now actually uh, so 3 is not equal to 3. No, it is false there. So let's write false here. So what it says that else part is going to work there now. Else means it is not true. So else part says that me dollar a dollar find 1 means first location I is now 5. Yes, means we get your first location NEPAL Nepal. Yes, if the condition is not true, then it prints there. Now next iteration what happens, value of b it becomes 3, 4. Now I after I it becomes 7 and the 7 it cannot be there, so I becomes 7, false, it becomes false there. So b uh, it is not going to work, it also false there. Okay, so at last we get their output and EPA and the NEPL. Okay, so this is the output. I hope you also saw this one. It's a quite simple program, and let's see by running in this program using the interpreter. Let's save it. 2079 question 5 SEDIPS. Let's run it. So look here, we have got same output as we discussed. Okay. Now let's go for the next question here. Next is your debugging. Let's go for debugging here. Debugging. So we are asked to write the box here and rewrite the program. Let's go for it. Okay, where is the first bug? Here is the first bug. It must be inside the double quote. So this is the first Babel should be stored fine there. Next is there vowel S dollar. Okay, S dollar is it returning any constant value, the string value? No. So this is the false second mistake here. Yes, since it is not giving us string value as an output, so dollar should not be there. Next is their length as dollar fine, me dollar as 1. Okay, find it. L case dollar, this one, red case B dollar. A E I O U, C case so C plus 1. Okay, uh, one another mistake I found there, length. Here is okay. Now next is the uh, okay. Here is the next mistake. Okay, so it should be vowel then equals to C. Yes. Okay. All others they look okay. Find the me dollar fine. L guess it is also find the B dollar. Okay. Okay. So we found there 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 mistakes there. Now next we have analytical questions. Let's see what are the questions. What is the main objective of program given above? Main objective is here. Uh, so what we are doing there? We are updating the mathematics marks. Yes, of each range we have got less than 20, and we are adding 20. Sorry, 10 marks as the grace mark, and we are transferring to the new file that is temp.txt. Yes, and same thing is being done here. So that is the objective, to update the marks. And do you get any problem in our program if the key list is removed? Give a reason. If we don't use kill, then the program itself it cannot delete this file. Yes. So what happens uh, if it cannot delete? Yes. Mark input.txt. So mark input.txt actually it contains the old data, and the updated data actually what we have transferred to temp.txt. So we'll find the updated data in this temp.txt, and what we want to have same old file as a, and make sure that updated data with the updated data. So if we don't kill the file, then this file will be there. Yes, yeah, this file will be there with the old data, and Mark info is mark info. Okay, input, find it. And without deleting this renaming, it cannot be done, and for that this killing is necessary. Yes, we can give and see in this way. Next is here writing some programs. uh, Length predetermined, calculate the volume of cuboid in the total surface area. Use define function to calculate the volume and the subprogram to calculate the total surface area. I think in previous video, go and check out. We have already written this type of program. And next is here sequence data file recorder that contains as number, name, address, telephone, email address. Write a program to count and display those records whose email address is in yahoo.com domain. Your display should be in the tabular format, showing the fields name and email address only. Okay, let's write this program. Let's write this 9b. Open. Record.dat. For input channel number 12, while not uf 1 2 went close 1 2 end. Okay, now what we have to do there? Input channel number 1 2. First we have here name, then address, telephone number. S number first is, so SN, name, address, address. Then we have telephone number. Then we have email address. Okay, so we have started reading that. What the now question is asking that uh, email address must ends in the yahoo.com. Yes, means we have to take some characters yahoo.com from the right side of the email. Yes, from the right side. So let's start that. If right dollar of email equals to So what we are asked there, yahoo.com, from right side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 characters if the from right side, if it is yahoo.com. Yes, then print uh, sn name dollar uh, address tel number email dollar indeed. Okay, so as is missing here, let's save it. So it's very simple. So finish, we have uh, this program in very simple way we can write. Now let's go for the next program here. Question number 10, and that is write a C program scenario that asks for number and checks whether the number is positive, negative or zero. So let's write 10 number. This type of program we have already written in previous video. It's not a new program that we are writing. First declaration, yes, enter a number, scanner, number, if number more than 0, printf, positive, else if number less than 0, printf is negative, else printf f is 0. So that's all. Let's save it. SEDIPS 2079. Question 10. That's it. So a very simple program. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. Now we have next program here. Write a program in C language to display the series with their sum. 17, 13, 16, up to 10 term we are asked. So let's write now this one. It's very simple, unless we can also write a program online. Uh, onlinegdb.com. Okay, first term is here. We are asked to series with their sum. So let's go for it. Int c equals to how many terms? 1. So let's keep 1 there. And the first term is 7. So let's keep 7 here. Yes. While we are also asked to print the sum. So sum equals to 0. While c less than equals to 10 term. Okay. We have to print it. So printf d, then we have what do we have to print there? K. So let's put a k. We have to find the sum. So sum equals to sum plus k. Yes. Sum equals to sum plus k. Find it. Now next value is 10 here. Yes. Next value is 10. Means the value of k is should be increased by 3. K plus 3. And next is the value of c also should be increased. That is counted. So that's all. Now let's print the sum from here. So sum. So that's all. It's very simple program. Let's run it. So look here, sum is 205. As you can see downside. Here is the output. So we have got 10 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the sum is 205. In this way, very simple way, we can write a program. I hope you also about this one. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So in very simple way, we can write a program, and I hope you like this. If you have any question, use the chat box. You can share with your friends, and obviously, if it was helpful, just let me know. You want to discuss with me on particular topic, just use the chat box. Thank you for your time. Again, tomorrow we'll be joining at same time on 4 p.m. Take care. Goodbye.